Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to try eyes on my face for 7 days. Ooh. So just so you guys know, I normally let my ice cube melt for like 5 minutes. That way it doesn't get stuck on my face. Some people like to grab the ice and wet it before applying it, okay? So I'm gonna put my hair away. Alright you guys, so you guys could do this in the morning or at night. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. Make sure your hands are clean and your face is clean, right? So I'm gonna just put my hair away. And I'm going to apply rose water on my face before applying the ice cube. So just a quick spray. And I am going to let it dry a little. And for the fun part, you grab your eyes. Yes! I'm so excited for this, you guys. So let's go ahead and start. Ooh. Ooh. It's recommended to go in circles. Ooh, it feels so good. Ooh, you guys, feel so good. Wow. Especially in the summer. Ooh, I would definitely do this. Woo! Okay, so you let it air dry. You don't want the rose water to come off or nothing. Just let it air dry, you guys. So let's just take a quick look at my face because I really want to know if it makes a difference. Okay, you guys, so to eyes a pimple, okay, just really quick before I move on, you can apply the ice cube for 10 seconds on the site. Remember that ice removes the inflammation, so kind of makes sense why this helps, huh? That's all I really see. So after it air dries, you guys can go ahead and move on with your routine. I'm gonna apply this lotion. I really like this lotion, you guys. I recommend it so much. I'm gonna put it on the description box because it's a lotion and also it's sunscreen. So this is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Hi you guys, so this is day 2. I'm really happy with the results. I know it's day 1, but I don't know if you guys remember, but I had like a pimple right here. And it's almost gone. So I'm gonna just put my hair away. And we're gonna do the same thing. Just to let you guys know, I did wash my hands. Obviously, I washed my face. It's all clean right now. I'm gonna start again with the rice water. And do this again. I'm actually excited. Wow. It feels really good. It is cold, you guys, but wow. That's it. Oh my god, it feels so good. Remember to let it air dry. I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow to see how it looks. It feels so good.
So I'm just going to apply this for 10 seconds just to cool it down even more. Okay. Oh my god, you guys, like, I don't know know if you guys could tell, but this is the third day, so this is my third application. But my pores are much smaller. You guys should definitely try. So I already spray some rose water on my face. And let's do this again. So cold. Don't forget your nose. Okay. All done, guys. All done.
Oh my god, you guys. So I'm letting it air dry and my skin feels tight. Like tight. That's wonderful. It's supposed to take away, you know, your wrinkles, kind of, you know. Oh my god, it feels tight. I'm super excited to finish the 7 days because I'm just waiting for that glow to come, you know. So I had to wait for day number 4, you guys, until I finally saw that natural glow I was waiting for. Like, seriously. Like, let me show you this picture. I was wearing my eyeliner as always. I always wear eyeliner. And I'm wearing no makeup, I promise you. No makeup. And look at my face. Wow. The ice cube really works. Hi you guys. So I just sprayed rose water on my face and I'm going to add that ice cube. I'm super excited because, oh my god, you guys, it's super hot. Summer is super hot and can't wait to rub the eyes all over my face. We're gonna head over to the beach. I'm super excited. Keep on watching me. Thank you very much for watching, you guys. This was actually very fun. I'm not gonna lie. I enjoyed doing this. I noticed a couple of things. Number one, your skin does feel like tighter. And then also your pores, somehow, it seems like they are smaller too. But the best thing that I loved so much was that it does give you that natural glow, you guys. I'm super happy with this. Comment down below if you guys are willing to try it or if you have tried it before. And please subscribe if you guys do not want to miss any more videos of mine, because I will do more like beauty hacks, challenges, and like just a bunch of stuff you guys do not want to miss. So thank you for watching.